If you have forgotten your Discord password, you can easily reset it or you can easily change it. So here is how you can do it. Let's get started. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your mobile device. Once inside the Discord app, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings. Now, once you are inside your profile settings, you can see gear icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on it. Then from there tap on the account option available at the top. Now inside the account you can see password option available. Simply scroll down and tap on the password. Here you will be navigated to update your password easily. So that is it. Now enter your new password and reconfirm it. Then a code will be sent to your email or phone number and you can change it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.